Now, put on your headphones. Tell your brain you have no choice but to listen. And let's begin. You don't like the education system. You hate learning things that seem useless for your goals. But let me ask you, what are you doing about it? Complaining? Scrolling endlessly on social media? Barking about how unfair everything is? That won't get you anywhere. Ayanokoji wouldn't waste time hating the system. He'd understand it. He'd use it to his advantage. The system might be flawed, but here's the truth. Nothing in life is perfect. Corruption exists everywhere, but the ones who succeed are the ones who outsmart it, not the ones who cry about it. So what's your plan? You say you want to be successful in your field, whether it's sports, business, or anything else. But what are you actually doing to reach that level? Are you training? Are you learning? Or are you just making excuses, telling yourself you're not good at studying, that the system is against you, that your parents don't understand? Look at someone like Ayanokoji. He wouldn't waste time blaming others. He would study when needed and work toward his goals at the same time. And that's exactly what you need to do. Stop looking at studying as a punishment and start using it as a tool. Keep your brain sharp, build discipline, train yourself to focus. You don't have to love it. You don't even have to agree with it, but you do have to do it. Because while others are complaining, you'll be improving. While others are making excuses, you'll be preparing. Make a timetable. Give yourself time for both study and your real passion. Not because you're forced to, but because a strong mind is just as important as a strong skill. And when you start excelling in both, when you prove you can do what others can't, you won't need to complain anymore. You'll already be ahead. Remember, if you want to prove yourself, don't just talk. Do something no one else is willing to do. That's how you win. Now get to work.